Consider that networking is something we each do every day in our lives. This might be recommending a favorite film or sharing a wonderful experience you had at a restaurant. Networking, and by extension, network marketing, is all about building relationships and sharing the things you love through personal recommendation. As you take people through the business building cycle and introduce them to the Forever opportunity, take some time to record your interactions and build a profile for each prospect. Understanding the wants, needs, goals, motivations, and hesitations of each person you interact with will allow you to determine how you and the Forever products and opportunity are best able to help them. Are they interested in the products? Which ones? Any specific health concerns or lifestyle needs? Are they interested in the opportunity? Looking for a career change? Are they entrepreneurial? Consider their family, career status, and anything else that you might know about them that can help you support their goals and interests. Recording this information will also give you more opportunity to follow up with them in the future. If you know that they have uncertainty at work or an important milestone coming up in their life, it gives you a relevant reason to reach out and follow up with a more personal interaction. Following up is an important part of the business building cycle. Make sure you're setting an expectation with prospects and new team members of when you will reach out to them and what they can expect from you. When you are contacting up to 5 to 10 new prospects a day and following up with others to schedule meetings and invite them to look at the business, things can get hectic fast. Make sure you're keeping track of your leads with an activity tracker. Keeping notes about who you contacted when, the details of the conversation, and the action you need to take will ensure that you're able to follow up appropriately. Every contact or person you meet is a potential customer or Forever business owner. Taking the time to build your relationship, document the progress, and follow up will get you closer to achieving your goals and help them achieve theirs.